Good morning student. How are you? I hope you are fit and fine. Welcome to online classes. So student, today's topic we are going to learn it maths subject and learn it days of a week and months of a year. Okay. So today's topic is days of a week and month of year. Okay. So students, how many days in a week? Okay, 7 days in a week, and there are 7 days in a week. There are 7 days, 7 days in a week, okay. First, second, third, fourth, 5, 6 and 7. Okay. 6, 7. 7 days in a week. So we start counting days in a week from Monday. Okay. So first day Monday and last days in week Sunday. Okay. So first day is Monday. Yes student, open notebook and write down with me. Monday, M-O-N-D-A-Y, Monday. Tuesday, Tuesday. Wednesday, Wednesday. And Thursday, Thursday. And Friday, Friday. Saturday, Saturday. And the last day Sunday. Sunday is the 7th day of the week and last day also. Okay. So how many days in a week? 7 days in a week. First is Monday, second Tuesday, third Wednesday, fourth Thursday and fifth Friday, sixth Saturday and 7th Sunday. Sunday is the last day of the week, okay, and 7th day also. Understand? And next is which day is it? Yes. A. The first day of the week. The first day. The first day of the week. The first day of the week, okay. The second day. The second day of the week. The second day of the week. And C. The third day. The third day of the week. The third day of the week. And the fourth day. The fourth day of the week. And the fifth day. The fifth day of the week. And the sixth day. The sixth day of the week. And the seventh day. The seventh day of the week. Okay. So student, understand this. First is the first day of the week. So we are start is Monday. So first day is Monday. Okay. The first day of the week, Monday. So we will write here Monday. And the second day of the week, Tuesday. Tuesday. Okay. The first day of the week, Monday. Okay. Monday start is working day, so start is Monday, first day, and the second day of the week, Tuesday, and the third day of the week, Wednesday. Okay. And the fourth day of the week, Thursday. And the fifth day of the week, Friday. Friday. And the 6 days of the week, Saturday. Saturday. And the 7th day of the week, and the 7th day of the week, Sunday. Sunday. Sunday is the last day. Okay. And 7th day also. So Sunday is the last day of the week. So start is the first day of the week, Monday. The second day of the week, Tuesday. The third day of the week, Wednesday. And the fourth day of the week, Thursday. And the fifth day of the week, Friday. And the sixth day of the week, Saturday. And the 7th day of the week, Sunday. Okay. So write down in your notebook, beta. Yes. Write down in your notebook. Yes. So student, how many days in a week? 7 days in a week. And first day Monday, second Tuesday, third Wednesday, and fourth Thursday, fifth Friday, and sixth day is Saturday, and seventh day is Sunday. Sunday is seventh day. Okay. And write in your notebook. And next is yes, I am erase this. You write yesterday. There is yesterday, and today, and tomorrow. Tomorrow. Okay. So student, yesterday is day before today. Okay. Yesterday is day before today, and today is right here, and tomorrow is day after today. So first is right Wednesday. Wednesday. Okay. Wednesday. Okay. So yesterday is day before today. Yesterday is day before today, and tomorrow is day after today. Okay. Tomorrow is day after today. So Wednesday and Monday. Next is Thursday. Next is Tuesday. Tuesday. Okay. So understand this. Yesterday is day before today, and tomorrow is day after today. So Wednesday after Wednesday, and tomorrow today is Wednesday. So tomorrow is, yes, right. Today is Wednesday and tomorrow is Thursday. Okay. And today is Wednesday and yesterday is Tuesday. Understand? Yesterday is before the day, today, and tomorrow is after day, today. Okay, understand? And Monday, yes, today is Monday, okay, and tomorrow is Tuesday. And today is Monday and yesterday is Sunday. Okay. Understand? It means बेटा आज अगर वेडनेसडे है तो कल क्या होगा? टुमारो क्या आएगा? थर्सडे. ओके. एंड टुडे इज वेडनेसडे. आज वेडनेसडे है तो कल क्या था? ओके. बिफोर जो गया है वो क्या था? ट्यूसडे. ओके. अंडरस्टैंड? एंड टुडे इज मंडे, सो टुमारो इज ट्यूसडे. And today is Monday and yesterday is Sunday. Okay. And today is Thursday, so tomorrow is Friday. day. So Thursday is after day Thursday. Okay, today is Thursday and after day Friday. Friday है ना, means tomorrow. And today is Thursday and yesterday is Wednesday. Okay, and today is Tuesday and tomorrow is Wednesday. And today is Tuesday and yesterday was Monday. Monday. अगर आज ट्यूसडे है तो कल क्या होगा, वेडनेसडे होगा. और अगर आज ट्यूसडे है तो कल क्या था, यानी कि जो बीत गया बिफोर, कल क्या था, मंडे. मंडे आफ्टर क्या आया, ट्यूसडे. तो टुडे क्या है, वेडनेसडे. एंड टुमारो वेडनेसडे आफ्टर थर्सडे, यानी कि टुमारो क्या आएगा, थर्सडे. एंड मंडे आफ्टर टुमारो, टुडे इज मंडे एंड टुमारो इज Tuesday. Today is Thursday and tomorrow is Friday. Today is Tuesday and tomorrow is Wednesday. Okay, I am repeat again. Today is Wednesday and yesterday was Tuesday. Today is Monday and yesterday was Sunday. Today is Thursday and yesterday was Wednesday. And today is Tuesday. Yesterday was Monday. Okay, so I hope you understand this topic. And write SW. Yes, so student, SW write down month's name. Okay, month's name, yeah, months of the year, months of the year. So how many months in a year? 12 months. How many months in year? 12 months. So first month is January and last month is December. Okay, so today's your work. Open notebook and write down day's name and months of year and learn it how many days and how many months, and write work in neat and clean. Okay students, thank you.